In this video, we're going to discuss about finding the greatest common factor, or the GCF, using the prime factorization method. Let's have our first example. Find the GCF of 12 and 18. Let's start by making a factor tree for 12. So we have 12 can be factored into 2 times 6, and 6 is equal to 2 times 3. So the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. Next, we're going to get the prime factors of 18 using the factor tree. So 18 is equal to 2 times 9, and then 9 is equivalent to 3 times 3. So the prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. Next, we're going to multiply factors both numbers have in common. So the common factors here of the two numbers are 2, okay, and then also 3. Okay, we're going to multiply factors both numbers have in common. So we have GCF is equal to 2 times 3. So the GCF is 6. So therefore the GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Next, find the GCF of 24 and 36. So again, we're going to get the prime factors of 24 using the factor tree. So 24 is equal to 4 times 6, and then 4 can be factored into 2 times 2, and 6 can also be factored into 2 times 3. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Next, let's have the prime factors of 36. So 36 can be factored into 6 times 6. Next, 6 can also be factored into 2 times 3, and 6 here same as 2 times 3. So we have 36. We have 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Next step, we're going to multiply factors both numbers have in common. So for this case, we have 2, and then another 2, and also 3. So the GCF, we're going to multiply the factors both numbers have in common. We have 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So therefore the GCF is 12. For our last example, find the GCF of 45, 15, and 30. So again, let's begin by making a factor tree for 45. So 45 is equal to 5 times 9, and 9 is equal to 3 times 3. Okay. So the prime factors of 45 are 5 times 3 times 3. Next, let's have the prime factors of 15. 15 is equal to 5 times 3. So, prime factors of 15 are 5 times 3. And last, the prime factors of 30. So you have 5 can be factored into 5 times 6, and 6 can be factored into 3 times 2. So 30 is equal to 5 times 3 times 2. Next, after listing all the prime factors of the given number, we're going to get the factors that all numbers have in common. So that is 45 and 3. Okay, then we're going to multiply. So the GCF now is 5 times 3, 15. So therefore, the GCF of 45, 15, and 30 is 15.